Hi, I'm Bod Mileti, President of Trlby Innovative in Torrington, Connecticut. We're a product development company that mostly focuses on doing heat seal of polyethylene and polymer type plastics. And we do work anything from the packaging industry into the medical field, medical devices. We also get involved with other product development and packaging. We're actually doing pumps and a bunch of other different devices. We also do outdoor furniture. Probably the largest challenge that we face in trying to satisfy our customers is giving them a sense that we can solve their problem, whether it be through automation or design work, and to get the confidence in some of the large customers that we have is to prove that you have the design capability from conceptual straight through to the end of the presentation. I looked at Pro Engineer and SolidWorks. Solid Edge had so much more freedom to be able to play with things and to move things as a true designer would want to. And that's what sold me on it. It was fluid. And after demoing Pro E and SolidWorks, it just didn't seem to be the tool I was looking for, and that's why Solid Edge was so refreshing. But I think now with synchronous technology, they're leaving them in the dust now, because that's been a tremendous change in how even I think of how I approach design. I think the thing that really dawned on me was in history modeling, we all went through, confining and doing a great job of using sketches and having workflow that we thought was bulletproof. But we all know the truth of the matter is you would be asked to make an edit or a change, you'd be up there on the high end of the tree, and you'd make that change and you'd see a half a dozen features blow up because of it. We became so accustomed to doing that we forgot what a pain it was. So all of a sudden sync shows up on the scene. I've been doing projects recently completely in synchronous, and I did a very elaborate chair design that allowed me to play with the different pitch and angle and do some pretty wild stuff that would have been a labor of love with a history-based model. And I don't care what product you're talking about, there's no product that could have pulled it off like synchronous technology. What I find most efficient in using synchronous technology is in the assembly environment. What has really become obvious is the ability to edit groups of parts at the same time. If there's a design change that I know I want to make, I can do it in the assembly environment and get them all sort of in the right place at the same time, rather than in the past relying on going into one part, having associativity with those other parts, or having to go into all 3, 4, 5 parts and update all of them. But with synchronous technology, editing in the assembly environment is really a pleasure, because it really is freeing you up from all of that other work that you have to go back and do. And it's very fast, very fast. Doing design work now with synchronous technology, whether you're in the part environment or the assembly environment, is just fluid. You're always looking to make your customer want to use you again, and we rely heavily on our reputation and repeat customers, and that's what synchronous technology gave me, is to be even better at what I do.